this tutorial, we're going to explain how to make conference calls using the Communicator application. It does not matter what kind of phone you are using. It could be a Polycom, Grandstream, Yealink, or Cisco. The Communicator application works the same on all brands and models. There are two kinds of conferences that you can engage in while on your phone. The first is conferencing in a coworker within the office. The second is conferencing in an external party, say on a cell phone. First, we will demonstrate conferencing in a coworker while on a call. I'm going to place a call from my desk phone to an external party. Once they are on the line, we will conference in a coworker. To choose the coworker, click on your directory. From here, all you need to do is drag the person to the area that says Drag Contacts Here. You will then see their phone ringing. When they answer, you can see they are on the call. This is important as it gives you positive feedback as to when they actually answer the call. Once they are on the call, you can mute them by simply clicking on the three dots and clicking Mute. Please be aware that this does not prevent them from hearing the conversation, but merely mutes their phone in case they have unwanted background noise. You can also kick any participant by clicking the Kick feature. When they are kicked from the conference, they are completely disconnected. In the second example, we're going to add an external party to the conference. If you need to add someone to the conference via cell phone or at any external number, simply click the small person icon with the plus sign next to it. That will open the following box. Now you simply type in the number you wish to call. If it's a local number, you can type in 7 digits. If not, then type in all 10 digits. It is not necessary to dial a 1. Once you type in the number, press Enter or click OK to place the call. Again, if you watch this box, you can tell when the call is answered. Once they are on the call, everything is the same as explained before. At this point, you can add more parties, both internal and external. If you wish to end the conference, then simply click Hang Up. I hope this tutorial has been beneficial to you. I encourage you to practice a couple of times amongst yourselves so you are comfortable conferencing when you need it without anxiety. Please keep a watch out for more videos in our Communicator How-To series. Also, you can save the link to our YouTube channel so that you can reference these videos at any time. This concludes this tutorial, and remember, we want you to love your phones. Thank you.